Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Acura MDX SH all-wheel drive. And that sounds great. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. This vehicle has a lot of LED lights on it. If any of them appear to be flickering, it doesn't do that to the human eye. That's just a refresh rate of the camera that's doing that. See, it does have alloy wheels. This one also has a sunroof. Dual exhaust. I'll go ahead and pop this and give you a sneak peek of the interior. See, it does have leather seats with light gray stitching, and then you have additional storage space down there. Okay, so there's the third row. Here's the second row. And as you look down here, you'll see that you do have power for the second row, so they can charge their phones and run their devices. Here's the VIN right here, and I will upload a still photo of that as well. 2 driver presets. There are your driver seat controls. As you look down here, you'll see that it has 32,270 miles on this vehicle. Your paddle shifters, your push to talk, your stereo controls, your lane departure sensor. And then as you come up here, you'll see that it does have navigation with these 2 LCD screens. And then you also have your disc drive right there. And you'll see that you do have heated front seats. And then as we come up here, you can connect via Bluetooth, and you'll see that represented up there. Your info for your fuel and such, smartphone. You can also connect via Bluetooth. And then you can look here for your sources for your stereo, or AM, FM, Sirius XM, and disc. Okay. All right, and then it does have a hard drive source as well, so you can store some music as well. And then here are your other comfort controls along with these. As you come down, you're going to have this open up as a phone charging station. And 2 cup holders right there, and there's your key fob. And this is a push button start, even though it has a different symbol than most of them do. Push button shifter. And down in here are all of your ports. So you have 2 USB ports, another one right here. Then you have your auxiliary, 12-volt power outlet, a lot of stowage down in there. And then you have additional stowage down here as well. Coming up top, you've got your glove compartment and your sunglasses holder, map reading lights, and your sunroof. And that about wraps it up for this Acura on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the rear center. The airbags did not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.